The Elite Weekend is the latest party series set to hit the rock, but it's all about partying for a cause. Sanjay was at the launch.
It's the launch of the Elite Weekend. What is the Elite Weekend? Let's find out.
During Elite Weekend,
we wanted to bring an impact from New York.
When you think about Elite Weekend, I want you to think about elegance and class. This is the experience that you will have when you attend these events. The most stylistic fashions, delectable foods from multiple celebrity chefs, top-class decor and setup, and a drink experience like no other.
Of the Elite Weekend, Saffron and Jerry. First of all, Jerry, how did this happen?
Boy, I have to ask Saffron, you know. No, but seriously, so Saffron and I are promoters in New York, and both of us put on two elegant and upscale events in New York. So we decided that why not just go back to Jamaica and do something great and amazing. And we just kind of fused the ideas on Elite Weekend.
Company behind the Elite Weekend, we had a niche market. People who wanted good event, good clean event, which did not have cost them a fortune. They would get money and value for their money. So we created that space, upscale event, and we delivered, and we have succeeded. And the market in New York is the same as here. People want good, fun event that you can go to put on your best and expect the best.
A lot of people might hear Elite Weekend and think it's not for them. Tell us why you decided to use the name Elite.
Well, let me just jump back on that question quickly. So you asked the difference with what would be different about the Elite Weekend. Well, one of the differences is that all the promoters of all the events will be at the Elite Weekend. So it is that event where all the promoters will be at. And I think people will expect great things, and we choose the name because we're really gearing towards the working class, the people in society who want to party responsibly.
Tell me what you think about this idea, the Elite Weekend.
I think it's a beautiful idea. We're talking about two major events coming together in Jamaica. Two events that are major in New York. And then at the same time, aside from it just being in New York, these are two events that give back to the less fortunate. So we're talking about that of giving back to the burn unit. We're talking about giving back to Food for the Poor in Jamaica. They have helped several people, and I think it's a beautiful thing for them to say, all right, let's launch out and step into that of Jamaica.
found myself in a dark room dreaming.
The performing artist of the night, Wave Fusion, what was it like performing at the Elite Weekend launch?
To tell you the truth, it's a great vibe. You don't know, the people are very reactive, and the environment just feels really good, and it's really just a blessing for. So we come to the new year and we just kick it off with a performance. So it's a good vibe.
Right now we're here with one of the other resident selectors for the Elite Weekend, Richie Ross. First of all, Richie, what do you think about the whole concept?
No, it's great. It's always a nice feeling to see ladies dress up and come out looking sexy and thing.
Elite Weekend, we can expect some elite juggling?
Of course.
Right now we're there with the official DJ for the Elite Weekend. Yo! Bishop Escobar.
I want to go on now, man.
I want to go on.
I want to go on.
Why do you think of all the selectors in Jamaica they chose Bishop Escobar as the resident selector for the Elite Weekend?
Honestly, I'm still in a state of shock because as a raucous bearing selector, you understand? I'm really privileged for no say them say yo Escobar you know, because what we do is we try to chameleonize and change up the whole entertainment package. So what we do is there might be at an event where I was where me not say what me not say no profanity, but the vibe was unmatched, the energy, the crowd engagement. So they probably was just looking for something different than the norm.
Another destination experience, but this time in Kingston, March 16th and 17th, the Elite Weekend.
March 16th.